Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Club by Sidhanesh Nuria, and today I'm so happy that I have the new Galaxy S9 Plus right over here now, and it just feels so great to have this device. I've been waiting a long time for this device. So let's look around the box now, and first of all you have the S9 Plus specs and all over here. So that is a great thing. So it does say that you have the super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel OIS f1.5 and f2.4 and plus 12 megapixel OIS f2.4. What that means is that you have two camera sensor. One is the telephoto and one is the wide angle, and the wide angle that it shares with the S9 does have a variable aperture at f1.5 and f2.4, which is just great because it is the widest on any device that is out right now. So at f1.5 the device will be able to take in a lot more light and will be able to create in the dark as well. And once again you have the super slow-mo, the 960 frames per second video, which is just great, and it is at 720p, so that is a little bit behind now, as the Sony XZ2 Premium, whatever the name of the device is, now can shoot 960 frames per second video at 1080p, so it is a little bit behind in that. So you have the 8 megapixel auto focus selfie camera, the stereo speaker tuned by AKG, so that is really great. The S9 finally has the stereo speaker, and now it has the IP68 water and dust resistant, so that is really great. And iris scanner, 64GB of internal storage and 6 gigs of RAM. Then you have wireless charger, earphones tuned by AKG, so that is really great. And here you also have the device name and all. And after that, here you have the coral blue color, which I chose. I really wanted to get one of these. And here you have the device MRP, the model number and all, so that is really great. Let's just slide it out, and there's the device. So once again it is open, because it should tell you that when you buy this kind of expensive thing in India, the electronics, you always open it and check it on the spot so that you know that the device is in working condition. And it is a really great thing that the shopkeepers in India offer. They make sure that the consumer is not getting screwed over, so that is really great. And here you have the seal, which is now broken as the device has already been opened. And here you have Indian SIM card only. It is because when you buy a device in India, you have to use it for, I guess, 5 minutes through an Indian SIM to get it activated and all. And additionally, the shopkeeper told me that I have to put in my SIM that I have used to pre-book the device so that it can be activated. So I did that, and it is now activated. And here you have around the box, and when you open it, and it is a tight feeling over here, you are greeted with the S9 Plus logo, and it is the user manual and all. So when you pull it out, you have the device over here. But let's just see around this over here. So when you open it, first of all you have the quick start guide and all. You have the SIM ejector tool, and you have the cover, which is a transparent cover that I really like, and I think it would not hinder the look of the phone, because it is a really beautiful phone and you want to use it and you want to see it all the time. But once again, it is covered with glass all around, so it is really easy to break through. I'm going to use this a lot, so I'm just going to put that aside and put back the quick start guide and just pack it up. So let's just put it aside, and you have the device over here, and it is not easy to get out of the box. And let's just get it out, and I have to work around it to get it out, and it just feels amazing. And there's the device, guys. It just feels amazing. You have the device over here, you have the blue color. Let's just put it aside and we'll see that later. And you have the tray over here, and in the box you have the charger, which is shared by the Galaxy Note 8 and the S8. There is no change in the technology of the fast charger or charging capability, anything at all. So you can use your S8 or the Note 8 charger. That will not be a problem. So let's just put it aside, and you have the USB Type-C over here, which you can use to charge your device and to connect your PC and all. You have the AKG headphones, which are really great. I use them on daily basis. They have the one of the greatest sound quality out there, and it just feels amazing to use those. But I think the color in these are matching with the phone, I think, because I feel a tint of blue in these headphones fabric or something, whatever you call it. I can see a tint of blue over here, which is not present in my Galaxy S8's headphones. So I'm just gonna put it back inside. Here you have the USB Type C OTG, so you can connect this to your device, and you have your USB Type A, I think, whatever it is called. You have the USB A over here, the full size. We have the device over here. It just looks amazing. It feels great in the hand, and even from a small hand I can reach the fingerprint sensor now. It looks amazing, and as you can see, it is highly reflective. You can see myself in the reflection in the phone, so that is amazing, and it is really great to look at. You have this blue color trim all around it, matching the back, and you have this great grill now. So it is a stereo speaker now. You have the Bixby button, you have the power button right over here, and you have the volume rocker with the Bixby key. Everyone complains about the Bixby key. I think it is not a big problem. I really like the Bixby, so I'm gonna use it a lot. Then you have the device. It just looks amazing. You have the SIM card tray over here, the microphone, and the USB Type C. And let's just remove this. Oh my god, it just looks amazing. So let's just remove the back one as well. It says 64 GB over here and the model number. It just looks amazing too. I'm just speechless. It just looks amazing, and the shine in this blue color, I'm just loving it. I was on the borderline to buy a black one, but I just went with the blue one. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, secured by Knox, powered by Android. So it is booting now, and look at that beautiful display. It just looks amazing, man. I'm speechless how beautiful it looks. So you have the device over here. Let's go into the about device, and you have the IMEI number over here. So it first of all shows you the IMEI number, the model number, and also it is a little bit different than before. Let's go into software information. It does come with the Android Oreo 8.0, which is a bit behind the latest version. You have the Samsung Experience version 9.0. So that is really great, and the phone is covered all around with this beautiful glass. It just feels right in the hand. It is just amazing. So the display looks really amazing too, and due to the glass all around, it is really fragile as well. I would suggest you get a decent screen protector to protect your device. So I got this dome glass, white stone dome glass, and it is one of the greatest screen protector out right now. So I'm gonna be doing a review on this as well, and they are really great. I've seen a video by Unbox Therapy. He made a video about the Whitestone Dome glass, and it was amazing. He mentioned that a lot, and link to his video will be right over here if you want to check it out. It is really amazing. And let's go inside the device. It just looks amazing. It is really fast, but I would like to get it even more faster. So what I recommend is going into the about device, going into the software information, tapping on the build number, and going out. Developers mode has been enabled. Go into the developers options, because I feel like that the Samsung animations are a bit slow for my taste. So I go down in the developers options and reduce the animation scales down to 0.5x, and it makes the phone feel a lot faster. So as you can see, it immediately feels faster. So you can do that and make your device feel much faster. It is an amazing device. The review will be coming out really soon. It just looks amazing. I don't know how to explain this, but it really looks amazing. The one thing that I noticed is if you compare it to the S8, it feels a little more boxy like the Note 8, which I really like. I really didn't like that the S8 was so curved at the edges, but it looks more like the Note 8. By just now I can see the smudges of the fingerprints. You can see a lot of fingerprint over there. You just have to get a cover for this device. It is really important. I'm doing a Q&A. It is a 2000 subscriber special. I'm doing a Q&A, and link to the video will be right over here. Go check it out, and if you want to ask me any questions, comment it down there and I will be answering that. The Q&A video will be coming out on next week Saturday, and you can see your questions over there answered. And I just noticed that around the device there's a plastic going around. I'm gonna leave that be because it will protect the beautiful color at the trim. So, guys, you can ask your questions over there. I will answer them on next week, Saturday. And the review video on this will be coming out really soon. It is an amazing device. So, guys, I hope you like this video. And if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. And do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Snoria signing off.